What's going on, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sequin. As you can see right here, we have Luna Decentral. Yeah, Luna Decentral. From the daily time frame, we can see that today we're down. We have some predictions in here. Okay, actually, like, I'm not gonna change nothing. I mean, I'm gonna delete these messy ass lines. I don't even understand what's going on with this one. Maybe a prediction moving higher, but yeah, like nothing that's super special. This is gonna get ran through, in my opinion. Now we're gonna start from the daily time frame. Okay, so we can see that we're undergoing this beautiful Y-curve distribution. PSY, ST, never actually had that confirmation right here on the daily time frame. For a breakage, this is gonna be it. Yeah, but we can see that we tapped into this supply under the line that one right here. We have the breakage. You could easily take that lower right here from there. So I'm gonna stand by that prediction. As you can see, we have a all other thing right here from the daily time frame perspective. This is how it looks like. So we're gonna see if this is gonna be the case. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Peace out and